Hi everyone, I'm Estefania, the Marketing Coordinator at AllTheRooms. Welcome to our Revenue Calculator tool. In the Revenue tab, you have to simply choose your area and property characteristics and you will be able to calculate the revenue. For example, let's enter the postal code of a neighborhood in Madrid, Spain. Then we select the postal code. Now we have to select the number of rooms, bathrooms, and guests that we want for our property. Then we have to press Calculate Revenue button. And there you have it. Here we provide you with an estimate of your yearly earning potential. We also offer financial calculator to help you analyze the numbers. If you already operate a short-term rental, you can even input your property's URL to receive a property score. To add your property's URL, you simply have to click Add Property URL, enter your URL, and click Continue. The revenue calculator has two subtabs, Score and Comps. In the Comps tab, you can select properties or choose a property on the map to check a property score, along with key metrics like ADR, occupancy, and overall ratings. Now let's click on the Score button in the upper left corner. Here you will find tabs that explain how we calculate the score, what you can do with it, and the factors that can improve your score. This tab also allows you to choose as many listings as you want by clicking Add another listing. That concludes our video of the AllTheRooms Explore tool. I hope you find it helpful. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the top properties tool. We look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon. See you in the next video.